you properly. Oh, let me know whether you have been able to go through the site where you are supposed to get.
I can't hear you. Pardon me.
Okay, I was saying that
I
I was,
went but
okay, your network is not that good. I don't know whether you can get some place where there is a better network so that we can communicate properly. I was asking whether you have gone through the site, our site, whether you know where to find the courses, the units, whether you know, okay, basically how to use the site, because it's where you're supposed to get the other unit about booting. You read through, then attempt the activity.
now I went to the but I don't. Okay, but due to network, I did not get all the notes.
Okay, now what we are going to do is I'm going to take you through on how to use that site, on how to access the notes and other key issues, because your network is not good. You can be responding in the chat as we continue. So let me share my screen. Let me know whether you're able to see my screen. You can use the chat.
Yeah, I'm able to see it.
Okay, so when you log in, you can, let's wait for it to, so something like this will appear on your page as you log in, and to access the courses, you can go under courses here, then you look for the course you want to go through. For example, we are in senior 3 and looking at computer studies. So you can come here, search courses, then type there computer. So they will bring you the courses about computer. This is for senior 5 and this is for senior 3. So since we are in senior 3, we are taking on this one. If you hadn't started the course, they will tell you to start course, just like here. But since I already started this course, they will tell you to continue. So you click on continue course. Before you continue, this information is, the overview is very important. Endeavor to read the overview of each course. So you can continue course. So this is what we have under term 1. These are the units we have under term 1. So you will come on your left, reach out to the unit. For example, we are starting off with computer booting. So you click on computer booting and the details will be displayed on your right side. So this is what you're supposed to go through under booting, under computer booting. So you read all this content, understand it well. There are some interactive content in this unit. You can attempt them. The first one is here. You can take an example of this. This you can answer as you're reading the unit. Dash is the process of starting or restarting a computer. You just click there and enter your answer. You can as well do the same to this. So you go through the whole unit, circumstances. These videos, you can watch the videos as well. You watch the videos from here.
Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see conditions that can lead to a computer system.
So you can watch the video from there. If the thing is small, you can maximize it from here to get the full screen of the whole video, so you watch it properly from there. You make sure that you watch each video in the unit, and this is another interactive content you can answer as you read through. So basically, you go through the whole unit, all the videos. You make sure that you watch all these videos, and at the end of every unit there is normally an assignment to test your understanding about that unit. So here we have an assignment. It's here, assignment on computer booting. So you can attempt it after you have read everything. The questions are here. So after, you can click on start assignment and then start off. You can either type here the answers, or you can make a presentation or a Word document of your answers from the computer. Then you select the file from here. You save your file and then you upload it here. You select file. So that's how you can access the different units. If they tell you to read about system configuration, you will come here, click on it. The details will come on your right. Computer troubleshooting, you click there, the details will come as well. So that's how you're going to be reading these units, depending on what unit they have told you to read. Then, normally after reading the unit, I'll be designing some learning activities for you. So you come read. For example, there is some learning activity I sent on the WhatsApp group. It is about computer booting. So you go, when you read through this all unit, you go attempt that learning activity. There are questions in that learning activity. Let me look for it here so that you can see it properly. So I'm sharing the screen again. So for example, this is the learning activity we have about computer booting. The question is telling you to use a PPT software to explain these terminologies. Explain booting, cold booting, and warm booting. So it means that you're going to read the unit. Then after reading the unit, you will use a presentation software, the PowerPoint. You will design a PowerPoint presentation talking about booting, what booting is, you explain it, what cold booting is, and then you explain the warm booting as well in your presentation, in your PowerPoint. Yeah, so after reading the unit, you do this. That's in your free time. When we come for an engagement, you'll be able to present what you got, what you have in your PowerPoint. So you present for us, we discuss about your presentation. I correct where necessary, where need be, and then we'll proceed with other units. Okay. So that's how you can access the courses and the units. Any question about that? Yes, hi, Hope, welcome. Oh, no question. Okay. Hope you didn't have data, it's okay. We are looking at how we can use our site properly, access the courses and units and other key issues so that we can kick off when everything is okay. So we go back to our site. I'm sharing again. Go back to our site. So after looking at this, we can as well look at other issues. Under courses, you come look for the course you want to read. Then under that course, they will display the units. You select the unit they have told you to read about. After you attempt the assignment, you attempt the interactive contents in that unit, and then if they have given you a learning activity, you go on and do that learning activity. So if you want to comment on the unit you've been reading or on the course, you will come here. There is this icon where you can put your comment. You click there and then you'll be able to write your comment. For example, we have this one said, teacher, can I have more of the questions? So these are some of the comments. You can as well add yours from there. And let me see what we can look at here. Okay, you can as well use these messages. If you want to send any message, you can come here. You add a new message. So you will be able to use the site for everything. You want to send a message maybe to me, you can just come here, add. Sorry. Go there, add, then come here, type the message you want to type. Just like you see these ones. These are my messages. So you can as well type here your message and any message you want to send in. Okay, apart from the messages, we can as well, actually, I don't know whether you already have a group, but we can look at it. Under groups, you can also add here, you can add a group. For example, we can have the ICT Senior 3 group. Which name do you think we can give our group? Sheria's network is poor, is not good. She can use the chat. Hope you can unmute and tell us.
ICT Senior.
Okay, she's suggesting ICT Senior 3. Okay, the group description. We are here to discuss ICT related issues. So you can come along here and put a profile pic. Let me see whether I can get a profile pic. We can use this, I think. So this is our profile pic. You can as well come here, select. We are all moderators and administrators, so we can take that group moderators. Yes, we can as well. Can leave this. So inviting members. Hope, which name do you use on your site when you're logging in?
Balira Hope.
Can I have the spelling?
B
Mm.
A L I R A H. But it's capital B.
Oh, Hope.
Yes? Yes.
Balira Hope. Oh?
Yes.
Like that. Okay, which name comes first? Balira.
Yes, it's Balira.
Oh, you're here. Okay, you're added. So you're going to get a notification. You will approve the invite. You will have to do it maybe after. Shria, can we have your name, the one you use when you're logging in? You can type the name in the chat so that I can also add you to the group here. Shiria, let me type it here. Okay, you're also here. So have added both of you. So you will get the notification and approve the invite. So I think that's all for now. So that's how we can create groups. You click on create, it will get created. So this is how our group looks like. You have anything to ask, anything to post, you just come here and post whatever you want to post in the group. So basically that's about the group. Yeah, if you want to invite more members, we shall just come here. Changing cover, you just go there. And lastly, I think we can also look at the Zoom meetings. Under Zoom meetings, we shall be able to create a schedule. Maybe we have some engagement sometime. It can be created here. We can take an example, create new. So we come here, meeting title. We can use ICT Senior 3. Meeting content, we can say endeavor to attend. So I think we have another engagement next week, the same day. Which date will it be? Let me see. Today is 15th. We shall have our next engagement on 22nd. So meeting start time, we can
12.
12th, sure. We are in July 12th, yet today is 15th.
Like the meeting starting time.
Oh, the starting time. Okay, you start off with the date, then the time follows. 22nd. It will be 22nd next week, same day. Time will be noon. I think it is already here, noon. This is 12. Then the meeting duration in minutes, it's normally 60. If you find it at 59 or anything else, you put it to the right minutes. Okay, the time zone, you come and select the time zone. In East Africa, we use Nairobi. So you come look for it here. It's here. You select it. Then other settings, you can say mute upon entry. Auto recording, you can as well activate this. Auto record. You can look for the group shared. Now you type here the group. Which name did we give our group? The one we created here.
ICT Senior 3.
ICT Senior 3. Now which one? I think it's this. Yeah, it's the one you see in the profile. So you're sharing it to the group. Host user, we can take on Yaaka. Host user is Yaakadian. So after filling in everything, you submit meeting. So we've created a meeting to be held next week. And when you come here, you will look at the ICT Senior 3. We have 6 days to go. The date is there, the time is there. So you'll get the notification of this as well. If you want to create a new one, you can go there up and click on create. So basically I think that's enough, unless you have a question about the site usage. Hope I think you got the introduction, accessing the course, the unit, reading through the unit, and how to attempt the assignment. Did you find us that way, or you got us already gone?
I got you when you're ready, Fa.
Oh, okay. Shilia, can I know whether you have any question about the site usage? She has understood.
Madam Joan.
Yes.
Madam Joan.
Yes, please.
She was asking how she can message you from the website. So kindly take her through that also.
Oh, okay. So we said that you can send in the messages on the website, and I can get them when I come on the website. Okay, so when you log in, you come under messages. So you come here. So this is my inbox. This is where I get to see the messages that have been sent to me And the sent messages, I've not sent any message. That's why there is no messages found. So Shreya, you go to your to the site, log in, come to messages, and then create new message. So when you click on new message, it will bring you this dialog box. So you'll need to type here the recipient. The recipient is the person you're sending the message to. That person that is going to receive the message is the recipient. So you come here, the subject of the message. Maybe you would like to inquire about anything, maybe computer booting. You can put inquiry or booting. So you come here, type the message you want to send. Maybe you want to know more about warm booting. So you type your question or your message there, and then here there is submit the message, send the message. Oh, this one, if you want to cancel the message, you just click there. If you're sending, you just click there. I hope you've gotten it. May I know in the chat?
Yes, like teacher, I have a question.
Yes.
Like, okay, how do you find the things of dashboard, my courses, activity, profile, messages? Okay, like where do you press on your computer?
Oh, okay. So you have, let me close this. So you open a new tab on your browser, the browser you're using on your computer. When you open a new tab, you can log in. You log into your account, your Yaaka account. So me, I'm already logged in. That's why you're seeing here dashboard. Welcome to Yaaka. So automatically when you log in, when you type in and you log in, it will bring you to this. Or we can as well use here a dashboard. If it happens to take you there, you can as well access the site from here. Either notification or messages or profile, it will take you back to the page welcome to Yaaka, and it will automatically bring you here. So I don't know whether you're logged in. If you're not logged in, we could try. Are you on the computer? You can share your screen and then try logging in.
Like teacher, I've got it.
Oh, you've gotten it. Okay,
Mm.
right. So when it brings you here, that the other part you missed, you just come on my courses. For example, did you see the link I shared in the group and the learning activity?
Yes.
Did you try to read through that unit and attempt the learning activity? No.
No, I haven't.
Okay, so you're going to, just like I've told Shilia, you're going to log into your computer, come here, my courses. The courses will be displayed here. You will look for the course you want to read through. For our case, we are taking on computer senior 3. So when you type there computer, they will be able to give you all the courses about computer. This is for senior 5 and this is for senior 3. So you will click on it. Since me I already started the course, it will just tell me continue course. If you haven't, it will bring you this start course. So you click on whatever is there. You make sure that you read the overview of each course you're reading. Then you say continue course. You click on that and that will be displayed on your screen. So when you get there, remember, you have to know the unit you're dealing with. For example, in the group, I sent you the unit of booting, computer booting. So on your left, there are some courses, there are some units under term 1. We are taking on term 1. So these are the units we have under term 1. You click on the one you're told to read, which is computer booting. When you click on it, it will display all the details about computer booting. So your role is to read on your right. So you read everything here, and after reading, you'll be able to attempt to answer the learning activity. But as you're reading, make sure that you also answer these interactive content. So these questions that are in here, you can click there and then put in the answer. Dash is the process of starting or restarting a computer. So you put there your answer, what you think is that. Then the other thing you're supposed to do is to watch the videos. Make sure that you watch all the videos. You just click there and they will start playing.
Hi everyone.
If you want to view it in a bigger view, you just go there to full screen. When you click on it, it will get displayed in a full screen. So you watch all of them, and then at the end, normally at the end of every unit, there is normally an assignment. For example, here we have an assignment on booting. You can attempt it as well and submit to get marked. So when you submit your assignment, I'll be able to mark it and give you the feedback. To attempt it, you click here and read the assignment is here. The questions are there. They're here. So you can either type here your answers or you type the answers in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, and after you select the file, you upload the file where you have your answers. Click on select, then attach the file to this. So
Like, how would you go in Microsoft, like to do the assignment?
no, for example, you have here your questions. What is meant by the term booting? You just come here to Word, to Microsoft Word. Type your answers. You type normally, then you save the document. You save this document on either your desktop, wherever you choose to save the document. So after saving it, you will be able to select file from here. You see, when you click on select file, it will bring you all the contents you have on your computer. So you'll go here, we're on the desktop. So you'll go where you saved your work. For example, you can come here. If at all you saved it as learning activity 8, you click on it, open. It will get attached here. Are you seeing it? So it is this one. It has come. So after, you just submit. submit assignment. Are we together? Have I answered you?
Yes, but okay, like the way you did what?
Mm.
You on your Microsoft Word, yeah?
Mm.
Like some of us don't have like is it that thing we don't have of Microsoft Word there down where you clicked.
Oh, it is not there. You
Yeah.
can pin it there, or even if you just minimize you minimize your site. You can even leave the site, then come back on the desktop if it is where you have your Microsoft Word. You right click new Microsoft Word and Word document, open it, then start answering the question. You can decide to actually minimize this. Like you'll be able to read here the question, what is meant by the term booting. You come here, type your answers, you go to the next question, you type the answers after you save this document where you have typed your answers. You save the document, make sure that you know the location where you have saved it. After saving it, you will come here, select file. You look for the document you saved, click on it, open, it will come automatically here down. If you want to remove it, you just click there. Am I clear now?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
All right. Okay. So basically that's it. So I want us to go, now that we know what to do, we go back, read this unit computer booting, the learning activity I sent in the group. After reading this unit, you prepare a presentation, because the learning activity is telling you prepare, use a PPT, use PowerPoint to explain these terminologies. Booting, cold booting, and warm booting. So I want you to go back, read the unit, and design a presentation, a PowerPoint explaining what booting means, cold booting and warm booting in a PowerPoint. So after you get ready for the next engagement, that's next week, when we come back, you will present to us, both of you, you will present to us you what you have prepared about this question. So we shall get 10 minutes of each to present the findings alongside the prepared presentation. So I beg to stop here for today unless there is a question for me. Shilia has no question. Thank you. Hope, do you have any question?
And that teacher.
Okay, thank you for coming along. Thanks for attending. See you next time. A good afternoon.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome.